Yo, what is good, y'all? Today is December 4th. It is a Thursday. Sorry for the late video. Apologies for not keeping up to date, but I was on vacation, so I was unable to trade. But fully back now, fully ready to go. And then yeah, so we're gonna move forward. I want to give you guys a trade recap for today. I am taking one loss today, but I did miss out on two really good setups. Kind of frustrating that I didn't take them, and I took the only loss, which wasn't really a plus. And I will explain that why. Obviously, we did have news today. It is Thursday, December 4th, so I know many of y'all probably have heard that December price action isn't always good, um, which is true. But I do still suggest that you guys still wake up and analyze the markets and understand if it is good price action or not, if we're chopping, if we're just inverting multiple gaps, not really, really lack of volatility, very wicky. Um, yeah, so I mean, people can say whatever they want to say. It's just whatever the market wants to do. So really, listening to people doesn't really matter. So I don't really want to go over like the bigger picture today. I think it was fairly simple what we kind of wanted to do. We did have a big buy move up. We ended up selling back off, rebalancing the range of rebalancing this whole range of EQ. And then yeah, so my first trade that I'm not taking because it was a 30-second inversion, which was still A plus by all means. So market opened somewhere here. So market opens, and then we end up just having a dump off at open. After having this buy move up in pre-market, leaving that high there. So we end up dumping, and then we leave a 5 minute FEG. So on the higher time frame, I really wanted these lows were good targets. I think these was 4 hour or hourly lows that we had marked out. And then yeah, so in price actions today, there was no fair value gaps either. So we kind of had to manage our way with liquidity, and obviously EQ of the range. So there's no hourly, there's no 15 minute fair value gap, there's nothing really. So to be bouncing out of. So here we end up getting, I can't show it, but I had it on Top Step. We end up having a 30-second. Let me see if I can pull this up. So here we end up having a 30-second inversion here. So this turns into an inversion. So on this 30-second inversion, we obviously wait for the candle closure, uh, rebalancing the 5 minute FEG, getting delivery from the 5 minute FEG. Good candle closure here. Enter short there, and obviously enter on the size you want. Sell model, stop loss there, and then TP at the low. So yeah, that's basically what I was kind of targeting there. Obviously, stop loss at the high. We end up having a smaller sweep inversion, delivering from the 5 minute FEG. Targets lower is the most recent low. Classic sell model continuation. Um, I don't think this rebalances the range, which isn't bad, but obviously you are prefer. Yeah, I mean, kinda. So it kind of rebalances the range. Here, rebalancing the range of EQ, rebalancing the 5 minute, and then I want to see continuation lower, obviously to this low, and obviously the end draws being the 4 hour lows that we have marked out, and then yeah. So if there was a unfilled 4 hour, et cetera, then obviously I'll be targeting that as well. But we don't get that. So yeah, so should play out. Very choppy. And now I'm gonna explain. So we end up making full TP here and this low here. This is what my target was. And now I want to explain the loss I took, which is very unnecessary. So, um, if we took the sell model, this is almost A plus. Is just a very choppy price that we have to deal with at this time. Obviously, managing where you want to go break even at is very important. So now here, since keep in mind we do have this 5 minute for value up there, also a 15 minute here as well. So mark this out. So yeah, kind of frustrating why I took this. I kind of still ask myself the same questions. And like, why did I know this is lacking volatility. I literally know how choppy this is. All this like built up price. This is all gonna get ran, and I don't know why. And I don't know why I'm taking this trade in the first place. Yeah, it looks decent, but this is very choppy. If we get good V-shaped recovery here and a good inversion, then okay, this is valid. But again, like I want to say the best looking trade. Um, and yeah, so I know we wait for the 1 minute inversion on this leg. End up taking a long here, targeting the 5 minute here. Obviously going break even at the 15 here. So I'll go break even here. And then yeah, so this was kind of what I was targeting here. Stop loss at the low. At the low. So like there. And then full TP at the 5 minute, which is what I was targeting. Obviously you could have targeted the here as well, but it was negative RR here. But targeting the 15 minute wasn't bad either. So yeah, so that's what I was targeting. And then we just get caught up in chop, and then we don't even hit the break even point, and then we get stopped out on the trade. So yeah, this is some things that I should have known in the moment. This is gonna get ran for sure. This is just not a good displacement. No displacement through the candles. Yes, it's like a manipulation leg. We're getting an inversion, but there's no strong displacement, and there's LR build up. So you already know this is gonna get ran through. Um, and yeah, obviously we could take it into the 15 minute, but not good displacement. That is why this trade didn't work out at all, and why it left LR behind. So yeah, just need a journal, and then yeah, that's about it. Just journal on this mistake. So now I'm gonna talk about the only. Obviously, the short model was A+. Very choppy though, but this was the best trade of the day here. So after I took the loss, I ended up locking myself out, so I wasn't able to enter on this. Not that I was going to, especially after I take a loss. I feel like uh, my mindset is like I take a loss, every other trade's gonna look scary. I'm gonna be emotional. I'm gonna be thinking too much, so I am just locking myself out, walking away for the day, and coming back tomorrow. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow we manage our trade well. We analyze the markets well. We get a good entry. We wait for price to come to me. We don't chase it. And then yeah, simply that. So now I'm gonna talk about the only A+ setup today that we had. So this was really good. This was really good. Um, the only thing is like I didn't like it all today was there was no delivery from any for rally gaps. That was the only bad thing today. So, but here we end up sweeping the 4 hour lows that I had marked out. Obviously, we are rebalancing equilibrium. Um, and then yeah, we're gonna get strong delivery through this 2 minute inversion here. So obviously, we wait for the 2 minute to close. Bring that back. Wait for the 2 minute to close. Obviously, get the inversion. We've been getting our smaller sweep here as well. Sweep here, and then this is the delivery we need. This is strong V-shaped recovery here. This isn't V-shape. This is chop. This is chop. This is chop. But this good manipulation leg, V-shaped recovery, 2 minute inversion, go break even at the 15 minute, targeting the 5, and that's about it. So that's what we were targeting. Stop loss most likely around here. And then yeah, that's simply it. Bye. Sell stop. TP at the 5 minute. Going break even at the 15 here. And then yeah, let the trade run. Go break even there. Oh, go break even, and then let the trade run for us. Hitting full TP right there. So yeah, and that's really good exit as well because the market ends up selling off there. But yeah, I mean, looking back at it, we could have performed way better today, in my opinion. The first model, the sell model is really good. This buy model is not good at all. No strong delivery. This is why I shouldn't have taken the trade. But this is good strong delivery. Here, the second one was good strong delivery. That's why this trade works out. Here, Bill up LR, no strong delivery. Yes, we're getting a sweep. Yes, we're balancing equilibrium, all that. But we're not getting strong delivery from the candles. And we're building up LR. That is why this trade is not working. But here, the second time, this is what you should be seeing. Good manipulation link, good inversion, good candle closer, targeting the 5 minute. So, yeah, that's about it for today. I hope y'all can learn from my mistakes. Obviously, analyze your type of trading as well and what kind of mistakes you make. Um, and yeah, so I will be posting this on YouTube. And then, yeah. So I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Stay patient, stay disciplined, and don't chase price. Let it come to you. Catch y'all.